Hello from Stortorp on these beautiful rocks next to the Stortorp spot which I have seen on the way here, and it was empty. But I didn't want to go there on the sandy beach as this spot is much more beautiful. And I have been here a few weeks ago, and back then this spot was taken, so I was forced to go on the other side around, which was also nice. But now I have this spot for me. It is 17th of June 2025. It is 11:50 a.m. right now, so I'm quite early today actually, as yesterday it was almost 5 p.m. when I was on a beach adventure. And it is beach day number 32 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. It is Tuesday, as I mentioned, 17th of June, and I'm once again in Huddinge. And the reason why I went out so early today is because that it's gonna be cloudy after 2 p.m. today, so I wanted to catch you and for me also as well some sunshine. So my legs were tired today, and there was no sea excursion today, so I took my Ghost once again. And one of my members of the channel, Monaco 1964, said that this bike looks funny. I kind of agree, maybe because of the color, but it is a hybrid bike and I use it for mostly for shorter distances. And also that now my Scott still has a flat tire. I still haven't managed to find time to fix it, but I really need to. But this one is actually, I'm so attached to this bike, as maybe it's not as fancy as my other two, the Cube and the Scott, but I love it. It's just such a great feeling when you ride it. I don't know how to explain it. It's not that expensive. I bought it like $800. It was. It is my cheapest bike actually of the three. And it's actually, I bought it 2018 or something, so quite a while. But yeah, enough about my German Ghost. Let's hit the lake. That is currently 18 degrees Celsius in the lake, and we have 22 degrees in the air, so still quite warm. And when I realized I maybe should have gone to the sea, but maybe some other day when it's going to be more sunny. So Lake Drevviken, let's go in for a swim in this beautiful nature at Stortorp. Now here it looks very deep right away, so let's find a nice way to get in and to enjoy. All right. I'm really in a row with the lakes. It's quite slippery here, but are we ready? Yes, I am. Ready, set, and go! Amazing. So beautiful. Okay, now I'm curious. I see a small island over there. Let's go and check it out, how it is. And I see the area over there is Stortorp, where I have been a couple of times before. And now when I see, I think that the island looks a bit closer to this side of the lake. Quite the beach adventure today, even though it's not on the sea. Let's see what kind of island is that, or is just a rock. I'm really in adventurous mode today, and why I didn't see that from when I was on the other side. Anyway, it's so nice to go in for a longer swim today, especially while the sun is up. And technically I can swim all the way to the other side, but maybe without my GoPro. There are two birds on the island, I can see. I need to read also if this could be classified as an island, as Huddinge has the most islands in the world, 260,000. Oh, I'm standing now on something. In the middle of the lake, I'm standing on a rock. This is quite amazing. And I can see the island has a lot of bird shit, so I will not go on the island. Maybe it's just a rock occupied by birds. So yeah, quite an interesting beach adventure, and I find myself standing in the middle of the lake out of nowhere. It's so nice indeed. So yeah, now I'm gonna swim back and enjoy a beautiful day out on the lake Drevviken. And I'm just astonished how I can find something new every day on my beach adventures. Like right now, standing with this view of Orchem, Huddinge, Stortorp, and all the way down there to Huddinge maybe. As the lake Drevviken is maybe on 4 municipalities now that I think. Stockholm, Huddinge, Huddinge and Kris also. Quite a big lake. Cool, so that's a wrap from Stortorp. Thank you so much for watching this beach adventure. Now it's time to swim back. So take care and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.